Next, question number 2. Find the coordinate of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So these two are, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Read the question one more time. Find the coordinate of the points of trisection. Trisection means this line we have to divide into 3 parts. That means first one here, second one here. So first part, second part, third part. Okay, so we have to find the 2 points P and Q. Trisection means these 2 points divide this line into 3 equal parts. AP should be is equal to PQ. It should be equal to QB. Okay, so now we have to find out P of x comma y and Q of x comma y. Okay, so we can denote it here. So P of x comma y and Q of x comma y are the points of the trisection of the line segment joining the given points. So we can write here, what is here, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. So AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB means totally how many? How much? 1, 2, 3, correct? So from P, A to P, A to P, from here to here, this is 1, rest is 1, 2, 2. So A to P, the ratio is 1 is to 2. Next is from Q, A to P and P to B, the ratio is 1 is to 2. Next is A to Q and Q to B, 1, 2, A to Q. So first 2 is to, remaining is 1, 2 is to 1. So these two are the ratio you have to find out. So P divides AB, P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. So these two are M1, M2. Okay, and the points we have here, x1, y1, x2, y2. So I am going to find out P of xy. X we can find, what is the equation? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. So what is M1 here? 1. 1 into x1, x2, these 2 points, x1. So M1 into x2, x2 is minus 2 plus M2 is here 2, 2 into x1. What is x1 here? Here it is 4 divided by M1 plus M2, 1 plus 2. So 1 into minus 2 plus 8 divided by 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So minus 2 plus 8 means 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Again we have to calculate y. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So we can find 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. We will get here minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 divided by 3. So x1 we got. So this point P of, which is the point, 2 comma minus 5 divided by 3. This is the required first point. Okay. Next we have to find out Q. So Q is dividing the line AB in the ratio of, what is the ratio? 2 is to 1. So Q divides the ratio of 2 is to 1. That means M1 is equal to 2, M2 is equal to 1. So we can find out Q of xy we have to find, correct? So x we can find out using the same equation. You should write the equation here. I am calculating. Okay. So M1 is equal to here 2. 2 into minus 2. x1, y1, x2, y2 remains the same. Okay. Plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 4 plus 4, 0. So 0. Why? Using the same equation we can find out here. So 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. You will get here 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Next minus 1 divided by 3. Minus 6 minus 1 is equal to minus 7 by 3. So again you got another point. So Q of xy, what is the point? Xy is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So these two are the required points. This is one and this is the another one. These two are the required points. P is this one, Q is this one. Okay.